Story told by Osho, my beloved master. What is the sound of one hand clapping? A small boy, just 10 or 12 years of age, lived in a Zen monastery. Every day he would see many seekers coming to the master to ask for help, methods, techniques, guidance. He also became attracted, so one day he also came in the morning in the same way a seeker comes to a Zen master. With deep reverence, he bowed down 7 times. The master started laughing. What has happened to this boy? And then he sat in the way seekers should sit before a Zen master. Then he waited as seekers should wait for the master to ask, why have you come? The master asked Toyo. Toyo was the name of the boy. Why have you come? So Toyo bowed down and said, Master, I have come in search of truth. What shall I do? How should I practice? The master knew that this boy was simply imitating, because everybody he heard came and asked the same questions. So, just jokingly, the master said, Toyo, you go and meditate. 2 hands clapping can create a sound. What is the sound of one hand clapping? Toyo bowed down 7 times again, went back to his room, started meditating. He heard a geisha girl singing, so he said, right, this is the thing. He came immediately, bowed down. The master was laughing. He said, did you meditate, Toyo? He said, yes, sir, and I have found it. It is like a geisha girl singing. The master said, no, this is wrong. Go again, meditate. So he went again, meditated for 3 days. Then he heard the sound of water dripping. So he said, right now, this is the thing. I have got it. He came again. The master asked and he said, the sound of the water dripping. The master said, Toyo, that too is notice. You go and meditate. So he meditated for 3 months. Then he heard locust in the tree. So he said, yes, I have got it. He came again. The master said, no, this too is not right. And so on and on. 1 year passed. Then for 1 year continuously he was not seen. The master became anxious. What happened to the boy? He has not come. So he went to find him. He was sitting under a tree, silent, his body vibrating to some unknown sound, his body dancing, a very gentle dance, and if just moving with the breeze. The master didn't like to disturb the boy, so he sat there waiting. Hours and hours passed. When the sun was setting and it was evening, the master said, Toyo. The boy opened his eyes and he said, this is it. The master said, yes, you have got it. Hari Om Tat Sat.